welcome back to my channel. And this is June. So for today's vlog, guys, I will be teaching you the how to estimate sums, differences, products, and quotients. But before we'll start this topic, we're going to have first a very short review of round down and round up numbers. And when we say round up numbers, these are 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then if the nearest number of our target number is a round up number, we are going to add 1 point. Okay? So add 1 to our target number. Then we have also round down numbers, and these are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if the nearest number of our target number is a round down number, we are going to copy only the target number. We will not add 1. So as is only. So we will not add 1 as is. So copy. So if the nearest number is a round up or round down, still we're going to turn all the numbers going to right side into zeros. And then all the numbers going to right side will make it into, and we'll just copy it rather. But now here, guys, we're going to estimate numbers. We're talking about estimate, approximate. So we have actually several terms here to be applied, or actually terms for approximation and estimation. So we have here estimate, approximate, more or less. We have also about, and now those are examples of terminologies for the estimation and approximation. Now here we have sum. Estimate the sum of these two addends. We have here 3,872 plus 2,475. So before you will add that one, guys, you are going to estimate first the addends before you will add. That is the first thing you will do. So we have here the highest place value. It does not say what place value you are going to do, but when we add or subtract, multiply, divide, we are going to go directly to its highest place value. The highest place value here is thousands. So the thousands digit is 3. So if we're going to round off this one, estimate this, we're going to round off now this one. So the target is 3, the nearest is 8. So 8 is a round up number. So therefore you will add 1 point to your highest place value. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. And then all the numbers going to right side will make into zeros. Okay? So 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros simply because you have 3 digits there. Okay? Now, another one, copy the plus. So estimate also. So the highest place value here is thousands. The digit is 2. The nearest number of 2 is 4. 4 is a round down number, meaning to say as is the target number. You will just copy. You will not add 1 point since 4 is a round down number. And then all the digits going to right side, remember, turn them into zeros. So we have your 3 digits going to right, so we will make them into zeros. So we have 3 zeros also here. Okay? So now, that's the time, class. We are going to add now. So, 4,000 plus 2,000. So, I will just add all the thousands digits. So, 4 plus 2 equals 6. And then, of course, there are 3 zeros the same. So, just copy 3 zeros there. Okay? So, our answer now, we have 6,000. Again, do not forget, before you will add, you have to estimate first the addends. Okay? So let us proceed now for the difference. Actually, here the difference, class, just the same here. For the sum, you are going to estimate first. Okay? So 5,689, estimate it to its highest place value, which is thousands. So thousands here. So the digit is 5. So nearest of 5 is 6. 6 is a round up number, so therefore you will add 1. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. And then now, these numbers there turn to zeros. So we have 3 zeros to put there. So it is 6,000. Now, we have here, the next number is 1,302. Highest place value is thousands. So 1 is a digit there. So So the nearest of 1 is 3. 3 is a round down number. So meaning to say, you will not add as is the 1, copy. Then these 3 numbers, you just make them into 0. So we have here 3 zeros. So now, that's the time you will subtract. So just subtract all the thousands since they are only the non-zero digit. Subtract the non-zero digits only. And then later, just copy 0. So 6 minus 1 equals 5. Okay? And then the 3 zeros just the same. So just put there 3 zeros. So the answer there is 5,000. Okay? So now here, class, we have now products. We are now in the products. So what you will do is, just the same actually. The product, just do the same with the sum and the difference. You need to round off or round the number to its highest place value. So we have here 57,896. The highest place value is the 10,000s. So 10,000s, the digit there is 5. And then the nearest number of 5 is 7. 7 is a round up number. It's here now. So meaning to say, if that is round up, you're going to add 1 point or 1 to your target number. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. So all the digits that are going to right side, you need to turn them into zeros. So how many digits there? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore we are going to add 4 zeros here in the 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 57,896 approximately 60,000. So next that we have here 6. We will not anymore round the 6 to its highest place value since it is only 1 digit here, okay? So 6. So that's the time you will multiply now. Multiply only the non-zero digits, okay? So we have your 6 and 6. So 6 times 6 equals 36. So what you will do, copy all the zeros in your thousands. That is the technique, okay? So copy, there are 4 zeros there, just copy. 1, 2, 3, 4. By the way, I'll change it, I'll erase. So you have here 1, 2, 3, 4. So put comma every after 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3, comma. So the answer is 360,000. Now let's go to quotient. Estimate the quotient of these two numbers. We have here 349,881 divided by 7. Since we are in approximation and estimation, we will not divide it directly. What we will do, class, we are going to find the nearest multiple of 7. The nearest multiple, remember? So let us give first the multiples of 7, okay? So we have here 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. Now, we have here multiples of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 multiples of 7 now here. So let us now identify the nearest multiple of 7 to your 2 digits here. To your first, for your first 2 digits here. Okay? So what you will do, look at now, we have 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. Which of this multiple of 7 closest to 34? So we have here 35. 35 is the closest of 34 among the 6 multiples of 7. So therefore, class, you are going to write your 35 and then all the digits going there, we are going to turn them into 0. So we have here 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to put comma every after of the 3 digits. Okay? So now here, you have here 349,881 is approximately 350,000. So this is now the estimation of this number. Now, take note. For the quotient, you will not estimate its highest place value. What you will do is to find the nearest multiple of the divisor. The nearest multiple of the divisor. Since this is your divisor, this is your quotient. So now, we have now already the answer here. So 35. You won't say 300,000 because 30 is not a multiple of 7. Okay? So after that, you are going to divide now into your divisor. So you have here, just divide the non-zero digits, okay? So direct ha, direct. Okay, 35. 35 divided by 7 equals, solve it mentally. That is 5, right? 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So that is 5, okay? So you have here 5. And then after that, you just copy all the zeros there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer now is 50,000. That is how are we going to solve for quotient. You will not estimate to its highest place value. What you will do is, again, find the nearest multiple of the number here to your divisor. Okay? So that's all for today, guys. I hope you learned a lot for this video tutorial. I hope that you learn now how to find the estimated sum, estimated difference, and how for the product, and especially for the quotients. Again, for the sum, difference, and product, we are going to estimate the numbers to its highest place value. And for the quotient, you're going to find the closest multiple of its divisor. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Love you. Keep safe.